Hi up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to give Instagram permission to access photos. Firstly guys, in this case you need to go and jump up into your settings on your phone, and on your phone you need to go for applications, then choose the second selection, that is manage applications, and on the search box you need to type for permissions, or first you need to type for Instagram to find out the application, and right down you have the permissions. Click on app permissions, and here are all permissions that are included in Instagram site. Go for all permissions. Also here are remainly be with all the names on permissions. Now get back, and here on the camera section it is the main section. Click on that and go for allow only while using the application. Get back, and for making sure that everything is okay, go for files and media, and also here you need to check out to be on the allow access to media only. Get back guys, and now with this you're gonna give up on Instagram permission to access photos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.